Hey, I got a real cool question from Aggie inside the Strategic Marketing Club group here, and it's about tagging people or moving them over into an automation when a single-use coupon, to offer a single-use coupon that is, we're going to send it to people who did not click the email. So in other words, we're going to send an offer out, and the people who didn't click, we want to automate another email that goes out 4 or 5 days later, whatever it is, so that you can offer a coupon. And here is how you do it. So I'm going to go over into the email campaign thing, and I do have some stuff already set up here, so I'll walk you through what I did. And here's the coupon email campaign that I've already set up. And we're going to put in some triggers here and all that. So the first thing what I'm going to do with you, though, is create another email campaign that is just about this thing here. So we'll do a new email campaign just so you can see that. And we'll call this the coupon offer campaign, whatever. And there we go. Okay, so do that. Okay. Now, this is the day one. I guess the internal one would be, if that's going to be coupon offer email and email subject here, and add text, and then link here, I guess, is going to be right there. And we'll just create a link here, right? And google.com. Cool. So now we've got our link there, right? And we're going to save that. And then what's going to happen is we're going to kind of do things the reverse way. So everybody that goes through this campaign is going to go into the other campaign, and that is where the magic happens. But before that happens, what we do is we need to let Kajabi know that people have clicked on that email, right? Or clicked on that link. So we're going to say, where is it? Oops, not email sent. When email is clicked, we're going to, which is that one there, we're going to add a tag, okay? And the tag, you can do whatever you want. Clicked coupon, clicked offer, whatever. I'm just going to use some of the tags I've already got here. So clicked link A, okay? And boom, we're going to save that. And that is how we set this one up. And then, sorry, there's one more piece here. We got to go into settings, and we're going to send, come on, Kajabi. All right, there we go. We're going to send everybody at the end of this campaign, okay? Where is it? Subscribe to an email sequence, and we're going to send them to that coupon offer, or no, coupon campaign, because this is what I'm sending them to. All right, and the condition is that's off screen, does not have, where's the tag? Tags, here it is. Does not have tags right here. And you know where I'm going with this, right? Click that one. Boom. And we're going to add that, and we're going to say save. All right. So then we're going to go in here, and what happens is when you send this out, come on. There we go. So when you send this out, the coupon offer campaign, then anybody who clicks it, they're going to get tagged, and then they're going to be sent over to this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rename this coupon campaign. I'm going to call this part 2 so we can know. So I'm going to go step 1 and step 2 so we can follow this through. Should have done that. Campaign step 2, like that. It's slow. There we go. All right, cool. So we go back in here. You can see here that there is a subscribe trigger, right? So anybody, once this email is completed, the coupon offer campaign, everybody's going to come in here, and the people who do not have the tag are going to come in here, right? And then this waits 4 days. Well, what happens within those 4 days if somebody clicks on that other email? Well, that's what we want an unsubscribe trigger for. As soon as this tag is applied, then we want to bump them out of this sequence. And that is how you automate this piece of the process. So this now will have this email here, however you want it. We'll have, hey, blah, blah, blah. Here's your coupon. Then you add the coupon in or whatever you want to do. And only the people that in this particular instance did not click on the email before in that first campaign, which was this one here, coupon offer campaign. Remember, because I'm going to rename that step edit, step number 1, just so we get that right, will not go into that other sequence. And there is how you automate this.